Are you tired of feeling stressed and unprepared at the airport? We've all seen it, or worse, been that person. The one frantically searching through bags looking for a passport or boarding pass while the clock ticks down to departure. It's a stressful situation that can easily be avoided with a bit of preparation and the right travel essentials. Here are the essentials to keep you cool and collected. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone who only takes the occasional trip, having the right gear can make all the difference. These items are designed to make your journey smoother, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. First, invest in high-quality luggage. Durable and lightweight is the way to go. Your luggage is your constant companion on any trip, so it's worth investing in a good one. Look for something that's not only durable but also lightweight, so you can easily maneuver it through crowded airports and busy streets. A good piece of luggage can last for years and save you a lot of hassle. Next, packing cubes are your new best friend for organized packing. These little wonders help you keep your belongings neatly organized and easy to find. No more digging through a messy suitcase to find that one item you need. Packing cubes come in various sizes, so you can use them for everything from clothing to toiletries. A travel pillow and blanket? Total game changers for comfort. Long flights and bus rides can be exhausting, but a good travel pillow and blanket can make all the difference. Look for ones that are compact and easy to carry, but still provide the comfort you need to get some rest. Don't forget a portable charger to keep your devices juiced. In today's digital age, staying connected is more important than ever. A portable charger ensures that your phone, tablet, and other devices are always ready to go. Look for one with multiple ports so you can charge several devices at once. A universal travel adapter is a must in foreign lands. Different countries have different types of electrical outlets, and a universal travel adapter ensures that you can plug in your devices no matter where you are. It's a small item that can save you a lot of trouble. Stay hydrated with a reusable water bottle. Traveling can be dehydrating, especially if you're flying or spending a lot of time outdoors. A reusable water bottle is an eco-friendly way to make sure you always have water on hand. Look for one that's easy to carry and has a good seal to prevent leaks. Pack a compact first aid kit for peace of mind. Accidents happen, and it's always better to be prepared. A compact first aid kit can handle minor injuries and ailments, so you don't have to worry about finding a pharmacy in an unfamiliar place. Make sure it includes basics like Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Noise-canceling headphones? Yes, please. Whether you're on a noisy plane, a crowded bus, or just trying to get some work done in a busy cafe, noise-canceling headphones can be a lifesaver. They help you block out the world and focus on what you need to do, or just relax and enjoy some peace and quiet. Travel insurance is your safety net. No one likes to think about things going wrong on a trip, but it's always better to be prepared. Travel insurance can cover everything from lost luggage to medical emergencies, giving you peace of mind and financial protection. Make sure to read the fine print and understand what your policy covers. And finally, a secure travel wallet keeps your valuables safe. When you're traveling, keeping your important documents and money safe is crucial. A secure travel wallet can help you do just that. Look for one with RFID protection to keep your information safe from electronic pickpockets. Happy travels! With these essentials in your arsenal, you're ready to take on the world. Safe travels and enjoy your adventures. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel advice and inspiration. And for all your travel needs, contact Best Time Travel and Tours. We're here to make your journeys unforgettable. Safe travels!